I was sent this in exchange for my honest review. This is the clothing rack. Here are all the pieces. It comes with the instructions and gloves to put it together. So let's see what it looks like. Here we are putting it all together, and this is awesome because it does not take any tools to put this together. You just screw the wheels into the bottom, and then you put the two pieces together with the next set of bars. And this is great because it has the higher rack and the lower rack, plus an area to put shoes or whatever you want to on the bottom. So you can see how fast it's going together. And honestly, it really did take about 5 minutes. So that is super great. This is going to be super sturdy, and I am excited to use this for all of the clothes that I'm receiving to do reviews on. Okay, we got it all put together and it went together really fast. So you can hang clothes on this rack, or you can hang them on the back rack, and you can extend these out if you want to. And the front does the same thing. And it holds up to 630 pounds, so 200 clothing items. And it has the nice rack on the bottom. You can put shoes down there or other items. I think this is going to be really durable, and I like that there are locks on the wheels too, so you can lock it into place and it won't move around, or you can wheel it around if you want to. This is going to be a great clothing rack. I hope this review helps.